Give quick and easy access to content by adding attachments and links to activity feed posts. This tutorial shows how to add attachments to a post in Activity Feed. To begin, click the plus icon to create a post. Then, click Attach Link to existing activity. Navigate to the content you want to share, then select it. The link displays. Next, add a message to the linked material. Note, if you directly attach a video or image to the post, it will render and display within Activity Feed. When you are ready, click Post. Your message and link display. Provide quick and easy access to content by adding attachments and links to Activity Feed posts.